Profitec is known for making espresso machines with immaculate attention to engineering detail. The Profitec T64 espresso grinder is no different. Hi, I'm Charles with Clive Coffee, and let's take an in-depth look. Immediately, you'll notice that Profitec has kept the design simple and paid homage to the cone-shaped chutes of classic cafe grinders. Each and every touchpoint drives home the T64's hand-built quality. The steel grind adjustment knob and the sturdy time dose buttons make every shot a tactile, mechanical experience. The time doses are programmable down to the 10th of a second through the digital interface at the bottom of the grinder. This makes repeatable time dosing easy and maintains the classic silhouette. It's also equipped with an adjustable portafilter holder that allows for hands-free grinding with any portafilter. Plus, the design of the chute means that grounds always fall in a tidy pile right in the middle of your basket. The worm gear adjustment system is satisfying to use and built to be sturdy and precise. You'll get that sense with every turn, but opening up the burr chamber and looking at the massive threads around the upper burr are sure to give you a greater appreciation for the craftsmanship behind this grinder. Packed in its compact frame are large 64mm flat steel burrs and a 450-watt motor, making it a true prosumer grinder that will easily fit under most kitchen cabinets. Comparable grinders like the Eureka Zenith or Mazzer Mini Type A are significantly taller, making the T64 an appealing choice. It is slightly louder than some of the other grinders in its price range. ECM's own V-Titan, for instance, is significantly quieter, but it's certainly nothing that would stop us from highly recommending this grinder. The T64's high-end specs make for fast grind times, with a 20-gram dose taking just over 7 seconds, putting it toe-to-toe with even more expensive grinders. We've long been fans of the way shots from the T64 taste as well. That classic, smooth, flat burr taste never gets old. That's why it's a standby here at Clive, and why we have custom wood side panels made right here in Portland to add a uniquely warm touch. I'd love to field your questions about the T64 in the comments below. If you enjoyed this overview, don't forget to hit the like button. And for more information on the Profitec T64, be sure to watch our grind retention video. For more in-depth content, be sure to hit subscribe.